Alright, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey, we have shit to do. We're cleaning out this pantry, organizing the pantry, and doing my snack drawer. So, this shit's a hot mess. There's no system to this one either. But today is the day to finally do it. We have this pantry, no organization. And we have this one, that's also no organization. The first thing I'm going to do though is take all the snacks out of both of these. And we're going to make a snack drawer for the boys and, well, for me and Christopher too, when we like our little snacky snacks when we're watching our show at night. So anyway, and then this is going to be for like baking and all the other things. So let's get all the snacks out first, do the snack drawer, then we're going to organize this shit. We are a snack family. Is anybody else like that? I know the water packets are going in there. Popcorn. Okay, this is my snack drawer. Pots and pans. I showed y'all this yesterday. Okay, this is going to be the snack drawer. And I bought these containers to keep it organized, okay? Because if not, this shit will be a hot mess. We have a couple of different sizes. All the snack containers I'm about to show you, I bought at Marshall's. Never had a snack drawer before. This is new. And I'm super excited to ask Christopher what he thought about it. And he's like, yes, that's a great idea. I like that these have little liners in them. That's nice. I'm gonna start with the honey buns, obviously, first. Once we get everything situated, then we'll kind of do, like, in the further future, like restocks. And this would be more aesthetically pleasing, but it's gonna be a hot mess this morning because I don't know, and I'm probably gonna change my mind about 400 times. Okay, I am gonna get, we like Slim Jims and the boys like gummies, so that's what this container's gonna be for. I'll probably find something else for the popcorn thing and put the popcorn thing here and switch this one out. I don't know. When I get the other two snacks that the boys like and we like, I'm gonna put those in here, but for now we got it. Salted caramel candies, and then we have corn swirls, honey buns, protein bars, popcorn, and our drink packets. I like this. I like this a lot, and I'm super excited about it. So, there's that. Now let's get this pantry going. Alright, I'm just going to start taking everything out of this. Yeah, right here. Right down here. More drink packet. Keep coffee on stock around here. 400 different flavors of Crown because my husband thinks that he needs them, but then doesn't really drink them. He still drinks the vanilla. This one, he took a sip out of. It's the chocolate one. But he said, you never know, I might have a wild hair and drink it one day. Okay, so we're collecting it. We got regular Crown Royal. He likes that one, okay. I think this is regular too. It is, full bottle. We've had this since for over a year now. He don't really drink liquor, but he buys them because of the bags. Does anybody else's husband do that? I don't know. Gotta have music. Always when you're cleaning. It helps motivate you. Remember that. So if I don't teach you anything, play music while you're cleaning, it'll help. I love that every single shelf in this camper, whether it be the pantry, the kitchen cabinets, the bathroom cabinets, above my couch, I mean, every single shelf in here is adjustable. I absolutely love that, and I think that's a brilliant idea. Brinkley definitely knew what they were doing. For people like me, it was made for me. Can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me, and I just Alright. It looks way better. I'm gonna turn the camera on and y'all can see everything. Much better. I like that I can separate like all my cans. So like corn, shelf, green beans, rotel, soups, stuff like that. I like that. And then the onion drawer and potato drawer, I like that too. So there's that one. And all of our extra condiments up there. Then we have breads, peanut butter and stuff, cereal, breakfast stuff. So I like that. Yeah. And then of course the snack drawer. Bam. All right. Well, getting closer and closer to getting this house in order. And I feel much better about it. Especially about my pantry and my fridge and my kitchen together. Yes. That makes me feel like a whole different type of level of organized. All right. Anyway, I hope you have a good day and we'll catch you later. Bye.